Everyone, it's Shonda Nicole. I'm so excited that you're here with me today. I am interviewing my friend and mentor, Selena Soo. She is a publicity guru. So I'm just so excited that she's here and you'll have the opportunity to learn from her. So I'm going to ask Selena some questions and she's going to share a lot of really good nuggets of gold about publicity with you and I today. So here we go. So Selena, how did you get started in publicity?
Yeah, so I got started when I was in my 20s and I was going through a quarter life crisis at the time. I had hit a rock bottom where I had low self-esteem. I found myself clinically depressed and I had trouble getting out of bed in the mornings. And things got so bad that my mom flew from Vancouver, Canada to New York to be by my side. And she would, get on the subway with me in the morning, take me to work like I was a girl going to school. And I remember speaking to a friend and saying, I don't want to feel this way every day. Do you know someone who can help me? And I learned about this life coach, and she had a program that met on Wednesdays, and I attended that, and I got exposed to these different experts and authors and inspirational personalities. And I realized that, when people are struggling and suffering, they're not just looking for more information, they're looking for inspiration, whether it's they're struggling with a health issue or they're trying to figure out their life purpose, or maybe there's a relationship challenge, or they want to start a business. And I just wanted more people to know about these amazing people that had impacted me. But when I would ask my friends, have you heard of this person or that person? They had no idea who these people were. And so it made me realize that some of the people that have the most to give in the world are a best kept secret. And I wanted to help people that had something special, who literally knew that, what I have could help thousands of people or maybe millions of people get their message out into the world. So it's really what inspired me to get started with my publicity business.
Awesome. I love that. Yeah, best kept secrets. So, how would you define publicity?
Yeah, absolutely. So publicity is all about amplifying, your message, your story, the thing that you're offering to the world to more people through third-party platforms. So it's not just, you sharing it on your own social media or newsletter, but it's media outlets, right, that have a built-in audience of people that know, like, and trust them. It's also influencers. I see them as part of the new media. Many influencers, maybe they have a podcast or maybe they do interviews on Instagram TV, right? And they're getting their message out there. They're sharing other people with their audience. So it's all about amplifying your message with, partnering with like media or influencers or experts who have an audience that knows, likes, and trusts them.
Gotcha. So important. And on the heels of that, I know I talk a lot with my community about publicity and gaining quality PR backlinks for
Mhm.
SEO, domain authority. So I'd love to hear from you about why publicity is so important for entrepreneurs.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's one thing for you to tell the world, hey, I'm really good at what I do. But if you're the only person saying that or carrying that message, it's only going to go so far, right? So you need other people that are respected and admired to say, hey, you've got to pay attention and check out what this person's doing. I know for me, if I'm looking to buy a product and I hear that, ooh, it was seen in this magazine, I'm like, oh my gosh, right? It really gives it more prestige. Or if I'm listening to a podcast, and the host is saying, oh my gosh, this person is so great at XYZ. You've got to follow them. You've got to check out what they're doing. I pay attention, right? Like, people lean forward. And so to really grow our business and make our biggest impact, we need to create buzz. We need to increase our credibility, and we need to be reaching more people with our work.
Wow. And you totally embody that because that's how I met you. So, um, what would you say to someone who doesn't feel that they're ready for publicity?
Yeah, I love that question. I think a lot of us feel like we're not ready for a lot of different reasons. Maybe we're saying, I'm a pretty new business owner. Isn't publicity for these big internet superstars? And I'm not really there yet. I don't have a book coming out. Or maybe, we feel like, oh, my website's not that great yet. Like, or I'm not ready for it. And, the thing is, we all need people talking about us, and we all have something that we can give right now. If we have a business, there's a reason why we have a business, right? There is a passion, there's a personal story that got us to this point. And if we have expertise around something, we're probably already sharing it. Maybe we're sharing it on social media. Maybe we are sharing it one-on-one with clients, or maybe we already have different programs, but we have this knowledge already, this expertise, the personal story, the passion, our approach to things. So why not, share it with more people through the media?
Awesome. Well, the fun and exciting part, and thank you for all of that wisdom about publicity. You have a free gift for us. You're one of the best gift givers I know. So tell me about the free gift that you have for us.
I love giving gifts, and this is a really good one. So kind of like when Oprah is like, everyone gets a car, everyone gets this. So I have my 3-part Impacting Millions publicity video series. So there are 3 short videos. They're going to outline the steps so that you can start getting publicity for your business right now. They're short videos, and every video comes with a special gift. So the first gift with the first video is a list of 200 media outlets. So this is really going to get your wheels turning about the places where you can be featured, build out your media list. And then the second video is a 12-month publicity calendar. It's over 40 pages full of story ideas and dates and special hooks and ways that you can get into the media right now. And then with the third gift, it is our 7-step Impacting Millions publicity action plan. Because the thing is, there are a number of steps you need to take to make sure you're getting the right publicity and that you're really maximizing this opportunity for your business. So we have that all outlined in the 7-step action plan. And so when people go to impactingmillions.com/Shonda videos with an S at the end, they can get access to all of this. And even more amazing is I am throwing in an all expenses paid trip to Puerto Rico for one lucky winner. So when they sign up for the video series, they can answer a couple questions. So I know that you actually watch the videos, and you could win a really fun trip to Puerto Rico, hang out with me, come to a really fun dinner party to meet some incredible entrepreneurs, and of course, dip your toes in the sand and drink a pina colada. Who doesn't want
Who doesn't want that, especially right now? Wow.
that?
Super excited. I want you guys to go to that link and grab all the nuggets that Selena has for you. Again, it's impactingmillions.com/Shonda videos with an S on the end. And wherever you're watching this, the link will be like underneath whatever you're watching. So awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much, Selena, for sharing with my community today. I really appreciate that. I know we're going to make good use of all the gifts that you've given. So thanks again. And I look forward to us talking again soon.
Thanks for having me.
You're welcome.